Today, we're going to find out the gross profit margin I have on this dummy 13 toothbrush holder. Right, everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's dive right into how I come up with the pricing on all my 3D prints. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the easiest thing, and should be the most straightforward thing, is the material, okay? So the material on this guy I found right in the Bamboo Studio. It says right there in the slicer, and it's $9 for the whole entire model, and it's $1 for the box and roughly 50 cents for the packaging. So I'm just gonna say with the materials, I'm just gonna say an even $11, okay? And that's going to include, shipping and receiving as well. Yeah, like I just said. Okay, so now number two is going to be an estimation on how much time is it going to take. So let's go ahead and let's figure that out. Labor. Okay, so labor. And I'm going to allot myself 10 minutes to build one of these. Okay, so 10 minutes, okay, and my labor is going to be at $80 an hour, so $80 an hour for my labor. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 10 minutes, and I'm going to divide that by 60, because that's 1 hour. Okay, so let's get that in there. Okay, and that equals 0.17 of an hour. All right. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to times this by 80. So let's see what we get. All right, and so that is going to come up with how much my labor is going to be, which is going to be $13. 13.6, but I'm good just going $13. So now we got my material, we got my labor based on how many hours, and in that $80 an hour is my electricity, all my costs of routing and quoting and design, everything's into that $80 an hour. That's how that number comes. That's what the number is. That's how you really make it cut and dry. So I got what? $24 here. So $24 total. And my listing is at $40, $39.99. Okay, and that's how much I got. That's what I got going on. So now the biggest thing here is your gross profit margin, okay? Gross profit margin. And we want that from 50 to 70%. Okay, that's just US normal average gross profit margins. And obviously, if you're having issues here, you can significantly drop this number down here and make it virtually nothing for labor. But we're not going to do that because we want this to be realistic. Okay, like a real legit company. So gross profit margin equation is going to be your cost divided by how much you're going to charge. So your cost by how much you're going to charge, and you're going to times that by 100. So in this point, it's going to be my cost, and this is how much I'm going to charge. Okay, so let's go ahead and punch those numbers in quick, and let's see what my gross profit margin is going to be. Okay, so my gross profit margin, 24 divided by 40 times 100 equals 60%. So that puts me right in between these numbers here, which I did not try to do at all. I just said, oh, $40 seems like a good number, and let's do it. You know, let's see what we come up with. So there you go. You put this gross profit margin in everything you do, and you put it at in between this number here that's recommended for the standard US company, then you, my friend, are going to be making money, money, money. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. I hope this was useful for you.